Advanced strategies for maximizing Gold IRA returns after 60. Retirement brings the challenge of safeguarding wealth while ensuring steady growth. For those over 60, Gold IRAs offer a stable, inflation-resistant option. However, maximizing returns requires smart strategies. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Timing your gold investments. 1. Monitor key indicators. Watch for rising inflation or geopolitical shifts, as they often signal gold price surges. 2. Invest gradually. Use dollar cost averaging to avoid the risk of poorly timed lump sum investments. 3. Align with RMDs. Convert funds into gold when making required minimum distributions for balanced diversification. Combine Gold IRAs with other strategies. 1. Diversify with traditional IRAs. Mix equities for growth with gold for stability. 2. Add real estate. Balance steady income from properties with gold's market downturn protection. 3. Leverage Roth IRAs. Pair tax-free growth of Roth IRAs with the wealth preservation benefits of Gold IRAs. Use market trends to your advantage. 1. Sell during bull markets. Take profits when prices spike while keeping core holdings intact. 2. Diversify metals. Add silver, platinum, or palladium for broader protection against economic changes. 3. Track central bank activity. Follow their gold buying trends to optimize buying and selling points. By integrating these strategies, you can turn Gold IRAs into a cornerstone of secure, prosperous retirement planning. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.